Well, welcome to this basic introduction to the BRAVOZONE. BRAVOZONE consists of 10 different templates, anywhere from instructor-led to self-paced depending on your objective. If I want instructor-led, you're going to have 8 different options of sessions to choose from. If I want in self-paced, you have 9 choices. And self-paced can also be exported to SCORM packages. I'm going to go ahead and use an existing presentation and get started showing our most popular game board, which is Quiz Show. So Quiz Show, like many of our sessions, can be done either instructor-led or self-paced depending on your objective. This one is set up for instructor-led, and the question format is a little different than most of our sessions. Quiz Show is based off the Hollywood game show. Quiz Show, the instructor or the student, if it's self-paced, controls the order they go through the information. Quiz Show allows anywhere from 9 up to 26 questions, depending on the number of categories you select and if you want to add a final question. Final question allows wagering. Quiz Show also has other game features in there like bonus points, etc. All of our question types allow not only to create a question, but the ability to add a slide before and after a question. So you'll see here in the participant view, this is what's going to show up on screen. That will allow me, in this case as an instructor, to go through additional information before I show the question. And then after the question, I can review additional information to really drive home my point. Any instructor-led session, the student can interact directly with your presentation using their smart device. A great way for you to really know what they know and make the presentation more engaging to the student. Many of our templates are designed to go through information in a very specific order. So this dash session is set up as self-paced. I can easily make it instructor-led if I so choose. If I go to the content, you're going to see my questions and my slides that are going to appear on screen will appear in a sequential order. And I have a variety of different choices in here. Because this is self-paced, I have video, I have slides that have information on it, I have preview and summary slides, and then I have questions to kind of review the information that's being delivered. Dash offers a lot of variety in question types, and you'll see that you have this here, like if it's self-paced, but if it's instructor-led, I could use word cloud, or I can use image maps, whatever you so choose, regardless of the question type you choose. If you scroll down, you're going to see a lot of different settings for that question, and then you'll see a preview of what the students will see on their screen. I'm going to click cancel. This particular session, because it is set up as self-paced, I can actually download a SCORM package and upload it to my learning management system. Another thing that I've done here, I've actually customized the game board. So I came in here and I added a logo to the game board that's going to appear on the screen. Once you're done with your session, and since this is self-paced, I'm going to publish it, and I'm going to copy this link and send it out to my students. BRAVOZONE also offers a lot of tools to help make your job a lot easier to create engaging content. From using Bravo Assist, which uses AI to help you create content very quickly to your presentation. You could ask a question or put in a statement, have AI go directly to a web page, or upload a document. It will easily create questions for you. We also offer AI to help you create unique images that really can add some creativity to your presentation. Well, that's it. If you have any questions or want a personal run-through, please just contact us at support@c3softworks.com. Until the next time, hope you always find unique ways to make your next training more engaging. Take care.